change lightning effect and color on Razer keyboards. In order to change the lightning effect and color on your Razer keyboard, you'll need to use Razer Synapse software. Make sure you have Synapse installed on your computer and open the application. Now then, you have to choose the Razer keyboard you want to customize, after which you simply want to go ahead and click on the lightning tab within the Synapse. As you do it so, on the next field, what you have to do is you just need to go ahead and you could select from the light. Then you could choose the preset effect or studio. You can select from a light or pre-designed lightning effect. For more customization, you want to go to the studio tab or to create your own lightning patterns and color. And likewise, you could adjust the overall brightness of the keyboard lightning in the lightning tab as well. And once you've actually done it so, in the studio tab, you could add different effects like static color, wave, ripple, etc. Select those specific keys or areas the effect to be applied to, and then customize the color and other settings using the color picker. And that is how you could change lightning effect and color on Razer keyboards. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.